From the vibrant heart of Indonesia comes a mysterious, beloved, and sometimes misunderstood figure, the Labulu doll. More than just a toy, it's a symbol of local culture, tradition, and identity. Whether seen in homes, festivals, or local markets, the Labulu doll has captivated generations with its striking design, handcrafted details, and uniquely backstory. But what exactly is a Labulu doll? What secrets lie in its thread and paint? Today, we uncover 20 fascinating facts about the enchanting figure that bridges the past and present of Southeast Asian heritage. Let's dive into the colorful world of the Labulu doll, a doll unlike any other. 20 interesting facts about the Labulu doll. Origin. The Labulu doll originates from Indonesia, particularly popular in rural villages where it tied to local folklore. Handcrafted beauty. Each doll is handmade by artisans using wood, cloth, and local dyes. Traditional dress. The dolls are typically dressed in traditional Javanese or Balinese attire to reflect cultural pride. Spiritual purpose. In some communities, the doll is believed to ward off evil spirits or bring good luck. Festival favorite. Labulu dolls are often sold during local festivals like Sekatan or Nagabon. Made with natural materials. Most Labulu dolls use bamboo, cotton, and organic paint, making them eco-friendly. Educational purpose. Some schools use the doll to teach cultural history and traditional values. Color symbolism. The colors used in the dolls, red, gold, black, often have symbolic meaning tied to nature or spirituality. Passed through generations. Labulu dolls are often handed down as family heirlooms. Decorative use. Aside from toys, they are used as wall hangings or centerpieces in homes and restaurants. Photographer muse. The doll has gained popularity as a photographic subject in travel and cultural documentaries. Global attention. Tourists often buy Labulu dolls as souvenirs, helping spread its fame worldwide. Name origin. Labulu means soft voice or tender spirit in some dialects, referencing its calming presence. Linked to legends, there are folk tales where the doll comes to life to protect children or guide lost travelers. Gift of goodwill. Giving someone a Labulu doll is a sign of friendship and peace. TV appearances. It has appeared in Indonesian TV dramas and films, symbolizing heritage. Portable tradition. Compact and lightweight, it often included in traveling exhibits of Indonesian culture. In literature, children's books in Indonesia feature Labulu doll as magical or wise characters. Protective charm. Some families keep one at their front door as a symbol of protection and harmony. Modern adaptations. Today, you will find Labulu dolls in keychains, plush toys, and even NFT art collections. The Labulu dolls may seem like a simple toy at first glance, but as we have discovered, it's a living tapestry of tradition, craftsmanship, and spirit. Whether standing on a child's shelf or gracing a cultural festival, it quietly tells stories of the Indonesian soul of ancestors of nature and of the enduring human connection to handmade art. So next time you see a Labulu doll, remember it's not just an ornament, it's a piece of history lovingly passed down with each stitch and smile. If you enjoyed learning about this treasure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cultural stories from around the world. Until next time, keep the spirit of discovery alive.